Hey artists, today I'm going to turn this number 3 into a lemming, and then we're going to add it to our Winterland scene. So grab a pencil and paper and draw with me. Okay, to draw this lemming, it's super simple. We're going to start with a number 3, and we're going to draw the eyes first. So I'm going to draw some cartoon eyes right here, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to color those in a nice light blue. Now, if I were you, I'd wait till the very end to color. I am coloring mine because it makes it pop off the page. It looks fun. You should wait till the end. Let's draw the lemming's nose. We're going to draw a little tiny nose right here. And I'll just color that black. And then we're going to draw the mouth. We're going to draw a line here from the nose. And it comes around like this with a little curved line for the cheek. And let's add some big lemming teeth. And you'll notice those teeth will come all the way up to the bottom of our 3, just like that. Now we can make the mouth open if we like. We can just draw a little line here and a line there, and we'll color that in. I'll make the teeth a nice white color and the face a sandy brown. And what about a nice little white highlight there on the nose? Speaking of details, let's draw a line from the nose down to the mouth and some little dots for whiskers. Now just that right there, you could see lots of different possibilities for other characters, so use your imagination. See what else you can make out of a number 3. Let's add the character's ears. We're going to draw these 2 little ear shapes. We have the character's face done now. It's time for the character's body. So we're going to start here at the bottom of the mouth, or maybe actually let's start at the bottom of the tooth. We're going to bring a line that goes around like so. Let's add some arms to our little lemming character. So I'm going to draw these arms and fingers. You know, my cartoon fingers. I love adding those to my characters. And I'll color them the same as the body. We need to add legs and feet to our character. So let's just draw 2 little lines here with those little cartoon toes like so. And same thing over here. And just like that, you drew a lemming using number 3. Hey, let's open up a gift or a present and surprise our character with something special. Okay, let's open up this present and see what is waiting inside. And a trampoline, perfect for a lemming. Okay, so we need to add a trampoline, just like that, to our lemming here. There's our trampoline. I think our lemming's got to be a lot smaller though, because lemmings are little characters. There we go. And let's add this to our Winterland scene. So here we are in Winterland, and we've got so many characters. It's so awesome. We've got characters sitting here by the fire. We have characters eating lunch. We have characters just hanging out and talking. A snake with a cupcake on its head for some reason. And a snowboarding kangaroo. Bats playing pickleball. And now we have lemurs jumping on a trampoline. Yes. Check it out, they're having a blast. They're just jumping like lemurs. So artists, join me tomorrow. We're gonna be adding more characters to our Winterland scene until we fill it all up. Hey, remember, every drawing tells a story.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. It's a members-only subscription art site. Learn drawing, cartooning, animation, and digital art. No commercials, safe content, and most of all, fun! Watch Harptooniacs on your tablet or phone, or cast the lessons onto your TV for group drawing. Print activity pages, blank character sheets, and blank comic book pages. And you get to spin your very own interactive picker wheel to change your characters and drawings. And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.
Grab your pencil and your paper.